Welcome back to my YouTube channel, dear students. Here I am doing arithmetic progression with you. You are there in the class with your ma'am Ashu Sharma, and we are doing the last question of 5.1 exercise, that is question number 4. And now 3 parts are left of that question, which we will cover in this video. So let's start the questions. Now 13th part of 4th question is root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12. What we have to do, we have to check whether this is an AP. If it is an AP, we have to find out the common difference and the next 3 terms of this AP. This is the question. So dear students, again this is a root question is there. So let us solve it. First we will solve its square root. So as 3 is a prime number, so here I am writing the refined AP. Root 3 will remain as it is, as this can't be solved further. Now for root 6 का अगर हम करके देखें, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Nothing is paired, so it will again remain as it is. Now root 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. This is paired, means root 9 can be written as 3. And then we have root 12. Root 12 is 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. A pair of 2 is there, we'll take it out, and this is left unpaired, we'll keep it inside. So in this way we'll get new terms of the list of numbers given to us. So now let us quickly find out the common difference to check whether this is an AP or not. So A2 is root 6 minus A3 is root 3. Dear students, as you can see, this is the square root of 6 and this is square root of 3. Both the square roots are not similar. So that's why we can't say these are like terms, these are unlike terms. We can't subtract them. The difference will remain as it is. We can't solve it further. Now A3 is 3 minus A2 is root 6. Again, as you can see, this is a square root term and this is a whole number. We can't combine them. It will remain as it is. So as you can see, no need to find out the third difference because the first two differences are not same, because D1 is not equal to D2. So hence this is not an AP. So this is the end of the question. No need to solve it further. As I told you, only 2 differences are enough to get the answer. Now dear students, next part, 14th part, is in the square form. So again we will first solve the square. Now do not get confused. In this part A, we can't take out A squares. A square नहीं solve कर सकते, तो हमने इसे ऐसे ही solve किया था. But here numeric values are given to us. We can solve them. We will first solve them. 1 square is 1. 3 square will be 9. 5 square, 5 5s are 25. 7 square is 49, and so on. So in this way you will get all the 4 terms of this AP and will mark them as A1, A2, A3 and A4 to get the difference between them. So let us check the difference again. A2 minus A1, 9 minus 1 is 8. A3 minus A2, 25 minus 9 is 16. So again, dear students, no need to solve the third part directly, as D1 is not equal to D2. Hence this is again not an AP. So no need to solve it further. Only that much is enough to do. No need to solve the remaining 3 terms. Right? Now let us do the last part. Now dear students, in the last part again square terms are given to us. So let us solve them. Solve their squares. 1 square is 1. 5 2s are 10. No, that is wrong. 5 square is 5 5, 25. This is 49. This is 73. That's it. So now mark them as A1, A2, A3 and A4, and let us quickly find out their common difference. So what is their common difference? 25 minus 1, you'll get 24. 49 minus 25, if you'll subtract, you'll get 24. Then 73 minus 49. If you'll check its difference is again 24. So as D1 is equal to D2 is equal to D3, that is D is equal to 24. So because the difference is common, hence this is an AP. ये AP है. So now we will find out the next three terms. What is A? The very first term. Not A. 1 square will take 1. 1 plus 4 into D is 24. Similarly 1 plus 5 into 24 and 1 plus 6 into 24. So by solving it, you'll get, what do you get? Just multiply, because BODMAS will do the multiplication first and then we will add the term. So let us solve it. So you'll get the terms as 97, 121, 145. So that's it. This completes your 5.1 exercise, dear students. So if you like my videos, do like, share and comment on the video and subscribe the channel also. Thank you and have a nice day.